friends, today we are going to learn about operating activity. All the activity that emerge from profit and loss statement comes under operating activity. Now, yesterday we learned about the basic format of operating activity. Today we are going to learn about the effect of increase or decrease in current assets and current liability on operating cash flow. First is when there is increase in current asset, then efficient of working capital get increase. When there is decrease in current asset, then working capital get decrease. Increase in current liability, then working capital get decrease. Decrease in current liability, then working capital get increased. Now this effect will be writing in the format of operating activity. So from starting, first we are going to write the closing balance of profit and loss account. Then comes opening balance of profit and loss account, which is to be subtracted. Next is all the non-cash expenses and provisions like general reserve, taxation provision, depreciation is to be added. All non-operating income is to be subtracted. Then here comes the effect of changing working capital. Here decreasing current asset and increasing current liability will be added. Increasing current asset and decreasing current liability will be subtracted. And at last, income tax paid of previous year will be subtracted. Thank you.